Recently, Time magazine published an issue they called A Guide to Happiness. In 2021, the U.S. ranked 14th happiest country in the world, which was an improvement from 2020 when she was ranked 18th. This still is surprising. Though we live in the land of plenty and abundance, happiness still seems to elude most of us. Researchers found that COVID-19 tripled the rate of depression in the United States among adults in all demographics. However, if we're honest, we can't blame COVID-19 or any other events surrounding 2020. They actually highlighted the issues and struggles that were already present. The Bible commands Christians to rejoice. In Philippians 4 and verse 4, we're told to rejoice always in the Lord. And again, Paul says, I want you to rejoice. Rejoice evermore. 1 Thessalonians 5:16. The apostles were described as always rejoicing. 2 Corinthians 6 and verse 10. Those verses are easier to read and memorize than they are to apply to our lives, but we still must apply them. If we want to find and maintain happiness, we need to take the Bible's direction, not only in its commands to be joyful, but in setting ourselves up for success. Roosevelt said, comparison is the thief of joy. You know, if we compare ourselves with others, we're on the road to being discouraged and never being happy. Sometimes we compare ourselves to others who are doing worse than us to make ourselves feel better. Sometimes we compare ourselves to others who seem to be doing better than us, and it wrecks us. If we try to find lasting joy and fulfillment based on being better than someone else or having more than someone else, we won't be happy for very long. The key to this is biblical contentment. Philippians 4:10 through 12, Paul says he had learned in whatever state he was in to be content. Finding and maintaining happiness means being content with the God above who loves us and with the person He's made each and every one of us to be. We can be happy, we can rejoice always because the Bible tells us we can, and God's equipped us to do it.